Alright friends, I'm back here on the site and it's a Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. They're already done doing their job. The excavator is done. So Nathaniel and Lehi are cleaning the excavator and they're ready to take it to a different construction site. And here's still the little bulldozer is here. So they're really tightening the excavator to be safe to travel to the next place. So they're attaching it to the big truck. And I'm gonna show you, Lehi just told me that this big mountain of dirt, they're gonna just leave it like that and saving it for another construction site where it will be needed. And here's the tree. And I'm gonna move slowly back to my left. And they're getting the excavator ready some more, tightening some more. It looks like it is ready to go. It is secured now. And the truck driver is still talking to Nathaniel and Lehi. So I'm gonna take, okay, the driver is ready to go, so we can say goodbye to the excavator. Okay, goodbye excavator. It's going to the next job. Goodbye, excavator. Have fun on your next job. And Nathaniel is driving this little bulldozer here. Still going for a little work here. night side here so you can see it working. There you go. There, get a better view. This is fun to watch. I hope you're gonna enjoy this. Alright, he is stopping now, so I'm gonna stop.